Thigh toning home workout for ladies. Do you find it challenging to tone your thighs? Do you struggle with excess fat in your thigh area? Are you looking for targeted exercises to help smooth and tone your legs? Look no further, you're in the right place. Today, we've got a special thigh toning home workout tailored just for you ladies. With these simple exercises, you can achieve toned thighs right in the comfort of your own home, and all it takes is just a few minutes of your day. Let's dive in. Air cycling. It targets the thigh muscles while also engaging the core and improving balance. Start by lying flat on your back. Lift your legs off the ground and start cycling them in the air as if you're riding a bicycle. Aim for smooth, controlled movements. Shoot for 3 sets of 20 reps each to feel the burn and get those thighs working. Diagonal cross leg lift. Standing diagonal cross leg lifts target the inner and outer thigh muscles, helping to sculpt and strengthen the legs. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips. Lift one leg diagonally across your body, reaching towards the opposite corner. Lower it back down with control and repeat on the other side. Focus on maintaining proper form and engaging the thigh muscles throughout the movement. Lying adductor. The lying adductor exercise is excellent for targeting the inner thigh muscles. To perform this exercise, lie on your back and lift your both leg towards the ceiling as high as you can. Open your legs as wide as you can, then close them. Repeat this movement continuously. Aim for a full range of motion to effectively work the inner thigh muscles. Lying feet together frog crunch. The lying feet together frog crunch is a variation of the traditional crunch exercise that targets the inner thighs and abdominal muscles. To perform this exercise, lie on your back with your feet together and knees bent, forming a diamond shape with your legs. You can place your hands behind your head for support. Focus on squeezing the inner thighs as you crunch up and lower back down with control. Pendulum legs. The standing pendulum legs exercise targets outer thighs and glutes. Stand with feet hip-width apart, arms out for balance. Shift weight to one leg, lift opposite leg, swing it out to side, then back to center. Repeat for desired reps, focusing on controlled movements and squeezing outer thigh and glute muscles. Alternate legs. This exercise enhances thigh and glute strength and improves balance. Single leg deadlift. The single leg deadlift is a unilateral exercise that targets the hamstrings, glutes, and thighs while also improving balance and stability. To perform this exercise, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your weight shifted onto one leg. Keeping your back straight, hinge at the hips and lower your torso towards the ground while lifting your opposite leg behind you for balance. Keep a slight bend in the standing leg and lower until you feel a stretch in the hamstring. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. And there you have it, ladies. A simple yet effective thigh toning home workout that will leave you feeling strong, confident, and ready to take on the world. Remember, consistency is key, so be sure to incorporate these exercises into your routine regularly.